Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow quickly. So today, like in my last night's video, I had clearly mentioned that Nifty is opening around 17,040, which was a very important support. Let me show you that level. So this was it. So I told you it is opening at 0.5 levels. So there is a high chance that market will reverse and travel upside. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty exactly did the same thing. They reversed from 0.5 level and they went up, filled. So Bank Nifty filled the gap, Nifty couldn't do it. But any which ways, it was a nice analysis and a well caught trade today. And apart from that, even the Fibonacci intraday, the strategy that I shared, that also worked really well. So I'll make a separate video on that once I complete this video. But let's jump into the analysis and understand what should be the plan for tomorrow. Okay, so like I said, this was basically the wave B which is happening. So am I reiterating this once again? So wave B, this red candle, it basically rejected from 0.5 level, and usually the wave B travels to 0.5 or 0.618. Okay, so in case if we take this high out, we may touch 0.618 and then reverse. But right now we are trading in a comfortable range, which is definitely below the 0.5 level. So we spoke about the impulsive waves, and this is the corrective wave which is happening on a daily chart. Okay, but though like we see a very big bull candle here, so let's analyze the data and understand whether this bullishness really mean anything to us. Okay, so firstly, let's look at the data. So before I show you the data, uh, let's also discuss what was the cash buying or selling that happened today. And that figure was amazing today actually. So I'm just opening money control on my phone, and I don't know, it's taking a bit of a time. Yeah, it's open now. So what happened in the cash market today is FIIs sold for 2,139 crore, and DIs sorry, DIs bought for 2,137 crores. So just a difference of 2 crores. So the market stayed bullish because whatever FIs sold, DIs actually purchased it, and still market closed a little bit higher. That could be one of the reason why retailers would also purchase some shares here. Okay, and apart from this, so if you remember yesterday, FIs did not have any position in the options at least. So today when market opens gap down, so it was almost around 550 points gap down. So if they do not have position, they'll not create position here, because they will also have the fear of this 500 points on the upside. Like anytime the market moves, then they have to do adjustments and stuff. So what they did is definitely, they took the market up, and the market had to go up because pro desk, even they needed an exit window to exit their position, because they had about 2,17,000 call long, if you remember, and they had about 68,000 put long. So definitely market open gap down, they booked this. And if you look at their put short is also too much, 1,50,000. So they were one of the possible reason to take the market up to cover this position, and as soon as it went up, the entire call long has been converted to a call short now. Okay, so this is what I wanted to explain. And FIs also got a good opportunity to take their own positions. So they are net long on puts, the quantity is 72,000, and net long on calls to 30,000. So that means we can expect a volatility tomorrow. So what does this mean is, they may expect a slight gap up, and once gap it opens with a gap up, Nifty still has to fill the gap, right? So they may plan a gap up opening somewhere there, and they'll book their positions of call here, and then eventually it will come down and they'll also book their puts. So this is the plan that we need to watch out for tomorrow. And you look at futures, they have closed 1300 long positions and added 14,000 short positions here. So the total short positions at the moment has gone up to 1,09,926. So definitely they are bearish in the market. The only thing is market is still sustaining the upper level for some time, but eventually in the month of October they are planning to take it down so that they book profits, and probably they are planning a red candle on the monthly chart. So we understood what the position is. If you look at the overall position, FIs have put create long and pros have call create short. This is the maximum position that can be considered. So definitely the sentiment is bearish for tomorrow. Now let's quickly check out the levels. So I'm just activating the chart. Everything remains the same. If you remember, I had marked a Fibonacci level from this high to this low. I had showed it in the last night's video, and I removed those level and just kept 0.618 and 0.5 as the horizontal resistance here. So above this, the market will turn bullish. So hence I have kept these two levels. And then we marked a Fibonacci from this candle's low to this candle's high, so that we get some more support. And here is another 0.618 at 17,000. So below this, the Nifty can get bearish. And similarly, I have also marked the same way in Bank Nifty. So let's quickly discuss the levels on an intraday basis for tomorrow. So this is Bank Nifty. If you see, this is 0.5 level where Bank Nifty was opening today, and almost it took support at this place, immediately reversed, took a resistance at this, and then it gave a breakout, and then continuously it went higher. Okay. And then it finally filled the gap here, took a reversal, and then eventually it came down here and closed somewhere here. So tomorrow what we are going to plan is, first thing, we can mark a trend line here. Okay, so there's a trend line here, and this is a level which is very important, that from here the market will definitely go down, and to take an early entry below this swing. So this happens to be around 38,950. So in case Bank Nifty opens flat, in any case if it is breaking 38,950, we'll take a put here. Okay, the first target is this level, which is around 38,760. Okay, the first target is 38,760, and then we can expect a target of 38,500. So these are the two targets that we are eyeing tomorrow in case if we open flat and if we break this range. Second is, what if we open gap up? So in case if we open gap up, let's understand that FIs have future shorts and put longs and call longs. So call longs would be definitely somewhere here. So and the put long and future shorts can be somewhere here. So that means if market opens gap up somewhere here, that time we need to watch Nifty closely, because Nifty has to fill the gap somewhere at 17,330. Okay, today we could just manage about 17,280. 17,280 was Nifty that went up till here, and it has another 50-point buffer to fill the gap. So imagine if we open somewhere here, we'll wait for it to reverse here, like either a double top kind of a pattern, or maybe a red candle in 5 minutes, and if it is breaking the low, we'll take an entry on the put side here, because this is where FIs would book their calls, and then slow and steadily we can come down here. So the first place would be this place. So Nifty will discuss. Let's complete Bank Nifty first. So why I showed Nifty is because Nifty still has the gap pending. So we need to watch Nifty closely, because Bank Nifty might, you know, uh, cross this high, but that doesn't mean that we immediately take a call trade here, because we need to look at Nifty. If Nifty reverses, then Bank Nifty may reverse from this place also. So then it becomes difficult for us to manage the position. Okay. So since they have FIs have put longs, we definitely have to be careful, and the market will definitely go down. The only thing here is we need to ensure that uh, if it opens gap up, then that's good. If it doesn't open gap up, even if it goes until this place, they'll create a spread in the call longs that they have. So imagine they have about 30,000 call long, they'll sell another 30,000 call shorts. So that's how they'll make it as a spread, because right now the put long is something which is in a huge quantity and they have to take care of that position. Okay, and pros also have some put short, so definitely some support will be available in the market, but eventually looking at the put longs that FIs have, even they'll exit some put shorts, so market will definitely come down, but not on a single line, but it will take support here and there. So if we open gap up within this level, so what I'll do is, if it comes below this level, say imagine Bank Nifty is opened above this. So when it comes below this is when I'll go for a put long. Okay, the first target would be 39,100. Okay, this level is around 39,300. So the first target is 39,100, and then this 38,950. This should be a second target. If this breaks, then we may test 38,760 is what we discussed. So this should be a target on the downside. If it breaks further, we'll definitely trade that too. So you can take the help of the Fibonacci intraday strategy. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's discuss gap down also. So this trend, so if market gaps down, this trend line will be broken. Okay, and anyways below this level we are planning for a put long, that is at 38,950. Once it breaks, we can take a put long. So imagine if it opens here, there's a possibility it may fill the gap and then it may break. So once it breaks, we'll take a put here and we can either lower levels. In case if it doesn't do and if it breaks this high, then you can go for a call entry, but do it with less quantity and with tight stop loss, because definitely we are taking position against their position. Okay, so this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out Nifty. So Nifty here almost did a V-shape kind of a recovery. So this gap is the resistance that we are eyeing at. So tomorrow if we open somewhere around 17,320 or 330, we'll wait and see if they put a red candle and they close below the red candle. We can go short here. We'll buy a put, and the first target should be around 17,220. So 100 points dip, and then the second target should be around 17,170, and then further down we can expect until 17,120. Okay, so a final 200 points fall is what we can expect in Nifty. A flat opening, what do we do? Nothing, let it go up, because you only trade when this level breaks, which is around 17,280, and we know that upside we only have 50 points, so we don't want to trade anything for 50 points. Once it takes a reversal from this area is when we'll go for a put, because this looks like a better risk reward, so we'll take the put trade. In case of a gap down, so this also has a trend line. In case of a gap down, we'll wait and see if it goes to the close price. There we can enter into a put with this swing or maybe this swing as your sell, and your first target would be 17,160 and the second to be 17,120. Okay, So this is the plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed it. Definitely watch the Fibonacci strategy. That is going to help you a lot in your intraday trading, and that is really working wonders. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.